Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could do the trend thingamajiggy on TikTok. It's basically where people go like side like that and then they make like a circle like that. This has been all over TikTok and a lot of you guys are requesting me to do a tutorial on it. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then here's an example right now. That is what the spear trend thingamajiggy looks like, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you could make one as well. By the way, this tutorial only works for iOS users and it's actually free, like oh my goodness. And to my Android users, I know that you guys wanted to do this transition as well. Trust me, it took me 2 days to find a way to do it in Android and I just cannot find any. It's hard, you know. So yeah, I've been wanting to do this tutorial for like 2 days now and now I'm finally doing it. So yeah. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on my post notifications and being active as always. Thanks fam. And now let's get on with the video. So the first thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna be finding the song that you want to use for this transition. And by the way, this trend, most people use this one song, so we're gonna be using that one, and it's this song right here. So what you're gonna do right now to save this audio is that you're gonna be going on the 3 dots or the share option. You're gonna be clicking on save video, and if you don't see save video option right there, if you click on Instagram button instead, it's gonna save it and then it's gonna take you to Instagram, so you could just exit out and it should be on your camera roll. So once you're done saving the audio, the next thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna be filming your transition. So right now I'm gonna be using the camera, and usually when you're filming this, we're gonna be using the slow-mo option, and we're basically gonna be doing like, you know, the left, right, and make like a spear thingy-majiggy, and then you post something at the end. But since this is just a tutorial, I'm gonna be using the video option and my front-facing camera so that I could see what I'm doing and I could show you guys how it works. And also put your phone in a steady place, either a table or if you have a tripod, then use a tripod right now. And that's pretty much it. Then the next thing that we're gonna be doing now is that we're gonna be opening iMovie, and I'm gonna be showing guys how to put the audio into our video. So right now, just go to the iMovie app. And by the way, a lot of people use VideoStar to put their audios into their video, but for me, I'm just more comfortable doing it in iMovie because I feel like it's more like direct and showing it in front of you. And I don't know, it's just like my personal preference, I guess. Like, you know, very good right now. You're just gonna be selecting the video that you just recorded, and also we're gonna be selecting the audio, which is this one right here. So once you have these 2 clips, so the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna be getting the audio from the video by clicking on the audio right here and clicking on detach and background, and now it should take the audio into the front of the video. And for this one, you could just delete it because we don't need it anymore. The next thing is that you're gonna be clicking on your video right here that you recorded and click on the volume option and mute this video right here because we don't want to hear any sounds. And now what you're gonna do next is that you're gonna be rotating your video into horizontal because right now, as you can see, that we have black bars in our video and we don't want that to be saved. So just go ahead and flip it using your 2 fingers and just rotating it just like that, and it should look like that. And now the next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna be matching your video with the audio. So I'm just gonna do that really quick right now. As you can see at the end, I just faked the slow-mo because I filmed it with my front camera. But if you're going to film in a slow-mo option, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be clicking on the video and go to the speed option on the bottom left. Click on reset so that it resets your settings with the slow-mo and everything like that. And for this part right here, I wanted to make it into a slow-mo. So wherever you want your video to start being a slow-mo, you're gonna be clicking on the video right here, click on add, and you're gonna be sliding this all the way down just like that. So right now you should have something like this. So there you go, your video is now in slow-mo. And as you can see here, I'll have a lot of extra clips at the end, and we don't want that in our video. So you're gonna be cropping your video until where the audio ends, and for me it ends right here. So you're gonna be clicking on your video right here and click on the scissors, click on split and delete. So now once you have done that, you're pretty much set to go to export this and transfer it to VideoStar, in which the next app that we're gonna be using. So right now just press on done, click on the share option, save video at 1080p, and let's let it export right now. Once it is done exporting, let's now go ahead and move on to the next app, which is VideoStar. So let me just open up my VideoStar right now. And before we get started with VideoStar, just to let you guys know, everything that I'm gonna be using in this video is free and you don't have to pay for anything. I know a lot of VideoStar effects right here are paid, but we're gonna be using the free ones today so that you guys could all do it without paying for anything. So right now, just press on the plus sign right here and click on edit video, and we're gonna be importing the video that we just exported from iMovie, which is this one right here. And once you see this, just rotate it until you get the right rotation and click on make video. So once you have this page right here, what you're gonna do next is that you're gonna be clicking on new and click on re-effect clip. So for this one, we're gonna be using 3 effects to do this kind of video. The first one that we're gonna be using is this one right here, where it's in the beginning where they go like that, like you know, that thing right now. So there are actually 2 ways that you could do this. If you have the paid VideoStar, you're gonna be using narrow screen, or if you didn't pay for VideoStar, the other thing that you could use as an alternative is the squish horizontal. And the only difference about that one is that the free one is that it's gonna squish your video, and it doesn't really matter if it squishes your video because it could be like an effect or something like that. And the paid one, it's actually just like that, where if you go closer like that, it doesn't stretch your video, and that's fine too, like, you know, like, who cares? So for this tutorial, I'm gonna be using the free one, and it's gonna be the squish horizontal, and I'm gonna be showing guys how I do this one. So depending on your preference, you could set the top left right here into half times the speed when you're recording the effect, or you could just play like the normal, like 1 times, where if you start doing the effect, it's just gonna play with the normal speed, just like this. And if you like it slow like me, then we're gonna be using the half right here so that we could time it with the video and we could do it much better. So before you click on re-effect, we're gonna be sliding this down just like that, because in the trend it usually starts the video like this, and then we're gonna be going like open right now. Boom. Then right now, just let it load because it's gonna record the entire thing right now. So just don't do anything, and we're gonna be doing the next effect, and that is the sideways thingy-majiggy. So far we have this one. Ooh, that was really like intense, like whoosh. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna be doing the side. So just press on new again and click on re-effect clip. And right now the next effect that we're gonna be using is slides, and this one is for free again. And as always, whenever you need to get an effect, you're gonna be clicking on the plus sign right here in the bottom right. When you press on that one, you're gonna be clicking on the search option, which is on the left side of your screen, which is this one right here, and you're gonna be typing in slides. And it should show up right here. Just press on this one, and it's gonna take you to the effect that we're gonna be using for this one. And as you can see, it goes like that, like whoop whoop. So now let's press on re-effect again, and we're gonna be doing that effect by sliding this up and down as always, and doing it at the right time of the video. So let's do this. I'm holding it right now. And again, just let it load and just let it play the rest of the video, and we are done. The next effect that we're gonna be using is the sphere one, where you go like that and then like a circle thing pops up, if you know what I mean. Let's go ahead now and go press on new, click on re-effect clip again, and we're gonna be using the effect called My Face Though Sphere Lens, and this one is for free as well. You don't have to pay for anything. And basically, again, to find the effect, just press on the plus sign again if you don't have it saved yet, and we're gonna be pressing on the search option right here. We're gonna be searching on Sphere lens, and as you can see it pops up right here. Just press on it and it's gonna take you to the effect that we're gonna be using. So as always, start to the very bottom right here because we're gonna be doing it later on in the video. And again, just press on re-effect and we're gonna be sliding this up and down depending on the time we're gonna be using this one. Just like that. We are pretty much done with the effects and this is what we have so far. As you can see at the end, it should be like a slow-mo thingamajiggy, and people do different kinds of things on the end, so it is up to you whatever you want to do at the end. And this is an optional thing, but a lot of you guys are asking like how to do the shake thingy. The shake thingy that I use in my example video, as you can see right here, that is a paid effect and that is actually by Multi-Layer, and I'm going to be showing you guys in a second how to do that. But if you don't have a paid video star, the free way that you could do this is by clicking on you right here. Click on re-effect clip, and the alternative for that one is the effect called wiggle, like, you know, wiggle right now. So you're gonna be pressing on the plus sign right here again to get the effect. Search for wiggle, and as you can see it shows up right here at the top. Just press on that one and the wiggle shows up as like this one right here. By the way, you could change the direction of the wiggle by pressing on the arrow right here, and as you can see it says vertical horizontal and it shakes like that, or you could do like horizontal horizontal or vertical vertical. There's actually 4 different kinds of wiggles right here. It is up to you whatever you want to use, and for me I'm gonna be using vertical / horizontal. So now to use that effect, just go back right here, click on re-effect, and we're gonna be doing this one at the end, and we're gonna be sliding this up to do the wiggle thingamajiggy. But this is just a tip for you guys. Don't put it like all the way up because it's gonna look like that, like me possessed right now. So when you're gonna do the little bit of shake, make it like only a little bit like that so that it looks like more aesthetically looking, if that makes sense. I don't know, it is up to you, but that is just my suggestion. So now let's go ahead and click on re-effect. Oh. And now it is done and it's processing our video, and so far you should have something like this. So that is our video right there, and now I'm gonna be showing guys how I did mine on the example video in which I did like the shake thingamajiggy. And just to let you guys know, that is a paid effect on Video Star, so this is just an optional thing because I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask me about it, so here are your answers. So basically the way I did that is that I'm gonna be finding a part where I want to do the shake thingamajiggy, so let's find a beat of the song that goes with it. So kind of right here where the beat started, I'm gonna be putting the shake right here. So to do that, you're gonna be clicking on edit, click on quick split scene, just click on split again and split again. And now once you have done that, we're gonna be adding the end to the shake. So to do that, we're gonna be pressing the right side right here. Usually when you add the end to the shake, I press like the right side of the video like 12 times because that is like the normal shake. Because it depends on you if you want the shake to go like smoother like that, like slower, or like faster, like if that makes sense. So for me, do like the so to do that, I would count like 12 times and pressing on the right side right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I counted 12 times right there. I'm gonna click on edit again, click on quick split scene, split again and split again. And we should have like this tiny section cropped right here. To do that, we're gonna be pressing on new, click on multi-layer clip, and you're gonna be importing the video of yours on the number 1 right here. So just press on the very bottom right. And now what I usually do is that I go ahead and import a preset that I have. So if you guys need a preset, I'm gonna be putting them here in a second. And the preset that I use is this one right here. By clicking on the barcode in the top left, click on import. Yes, so the shake. So this is the one that I use usually, and it looks like this when I play it. And press on create once you added it, press on yes, and you should have something like this so far. You saw the shake. And if you want to make it more like cooler to watch, you could like add the shake thingamajiggy on every beat of the song. Like, you know, it goes like dit dit, then add the shake, dit dit, add the shake again, and so on. So that is basically how I do the shake, and that's pretty much how you could do your very own transfer slide thingamajiggy. So now it's time to save this video and show it to everyone what we got. And to do that, you're gonna be exiting out of the project, and you're gonna be in this page right here. Click on the share option, send to camera roll, and it's now saving your video to your camera roll. So now that it is done saving, we're gonna go back to TikTok, and once you're on your TikTok, just press on the plus sign right here, click on upload, and we're gonna be selecting the video that we just exported from VideoStar, which is this one right here. Press on next. If you want, you could add special effects, like, you know, like the shake or some other effects that you want to add. It's right here. And press on next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own trend slide sphere thingamajiggy, then be sure to put in the hashtag SkySpam so I can watch your videos and react to them in the future. And I hope this helps you guys out. So that's pretty much it on how you can make your very own slide sphere thingamajiggy. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful. And if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and I will try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Eric, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias, and which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.